Hello friends, today we are going to start your standard 10th. In standard 10th, in subject maths, you are having total 15 chapters. In all these chapters, factorization is very important. Majority all the chapters are having factorization. So today we are going to start your factorization to revise what you have studied in your previous standards. In standard 8, 10, 9, you have studied certain factorization. Today we are going to study one of the identity of factorization, that is ax plus xa plus xb. Here in xa and xb, x is common, so we are writing x as common, and in bracket we write a plus b. For this identity we are going to see some illustrations. The very first sum for your illustration is ax plus a plus 2x plus 2. Here the first two terms ax and a, and the last two terms 2x plus 2, all these four terms are in order. So for first two terms ax and a is common. A is common. So I write x plus a has gone as common. So instead of a we are going to write 1. In the second two terms 2x plus 2, 2 is common. So I will write 2 as common and uncommon number as x plus 1. For factorization of these terms, it is very much necessary that your brackets x plus 1 and x plus 1 should be equal. So the common bracket over here is x plus 1 and the uncommon bracket becomes a plus 2. Illustration number 2, that is 2x square plus 6x plus xy plus 3y. In these terms 2x square plus 6x plus xy plus 3y, if we are taking this number in the same order, we will not get the common bracket. So we have to arrange the numbers. Well, that is 2x square plus 6x plus xy plus 3y. Here in bracket 1, 2x square plus 6x, the HCF of 2 and 6 is 2 and x is common. So first number 2x, which is gone whole as in common, so 1 will be common for that, and 2 3s are 6, so 3, x has gone as common, so it will be 1 plus 3. For second term y will be common, so x plus 3. The same way you are getting the two numbers as common. Here x plus 3 is the common bracket and 2x plus y is the uncommon bracket. Question number 3. It is x cube plus 20, x cube plus 20 minus 4x square minus 5x. Here again the numbers are not in order, so I am making them in order, that is x cube minus 4x square minus 5x plus 20. Here in the first two terms x square is common, so I am taking x square as common. Out of 3 x square is common, so x is left minus 4, x square has gone as common. Here I am going to take minus 5 as common, x minus 5 4s are 20. As I have taken minus as common, so the internal sign, that is 5x plus 20, becomes opposite. As minus 5 is, that is minus is common. So the common bracket is x minus 4 and the uncommon bracket is x square minus 5. Same way, question number 4, that is 3x cube plus 6x square plus x plus 2. Here the numbers are in order. So for first two terms, that is 3x cube plus 6x square is common, and the highest common factor of 3 and 6 is 3. That is, I have got 3x square common. So out of x cube, x square has gained common. So the number left is x. 3 2s are 6. So 2 x square has gone as common, and the common bracket comes as x plus 2. Here x plus 2 is the number given. Nothing is common, that means 1 is common, and so you are going to write it as 1 as common into bracket x plus 2. Here the common bracket is x plus 2, and the uncommon if table numbers are 3x square plus 1. I hope you have understood it. Let us repeat all these sums once again. The very first sum, that is ax plus a plus 2x plus 2. So the first two numbers, that is ax plus a is common. In ax, a has gone as common, so the number left is x. A has gone as common, nothing is left, that means 1 is left as common. For the another two number, that is 2x plus 2, 2 is common, so I have taken plus 2 as common. The number left over here in 2x, 2 has gone as common, so the number left is x. Again 2 has gone as common, so the number left is 1. Well, so the answer is 2 into x plus 1. So the common bracket is x plus 1, and the uncommon numbers are a plus 2. So that is a plus 2. Second number, that is 2x square plus 6x plus xy plus 3y. Now these numbers, for the first two terms, that is 2x square plus 6x, the HCF of 2x square plus 6x is 2. So I am taking 2 as common, and from x square I am taking x as common. So the number left over here is x. 2 and x has gone as common, so x is left. Same way, 2 3s are 6. 2 is the HCF, so 2 3s are 6. X has gone as common, so the number left is 3. For the next two numbers, that is xy plus 3y. Again, the common number in xy plus 3y is y. So number y is taken as common, and the number left is x plus 3. So the common number or the common brackets are x plus 3, and the uncommon number is 2x plus y. Same way, illustration number 3, that is given to you as x cube plus 20 minus 4x square minus 5. Now dear friends, this number, if you are taking in the same order, you will not get the common table x we have got in the above two examples. So it is necessary to arrange the numbers in a particular order. So I am arranging the numbers in this form, that is x cube minus 4x square minus 5x plus 20. So the number common in x cube minus 4x square is common. Out of this x cube, x square has gone, so the x is left. From x square, x square has gone as common, so the number left is 4. For the next two number, that is minus 5x plus 20, I am taking minus 5 as common. So 5 has gone as common, so x is left, I am writing x. The HCF of 5 and 20 is 5, so it becomes 5 4s are 20, so I written 4. But dear friends, here I am not writing the sign of plus, I am writing as minus, because the minus 5, in minus 5, minus sign is taken as common, so the sign in the bracket becomes opposite. So instead of plus, it becomes minus. So the common bracket which I have got is x minus 4, and the uncommon numbers are x square minus 5. Let us take another example, that is 3x square plus 6x plus x minus 2. In these numbers, 3x square, the HCF of 3 and 6 is 3, and x cube and x square is x square. So I have taken 3x square as common. As from cube, x square has gone common, so x is left. 3 2s are become 6. X square has gone as common, so the bracket becomes x plus 2. Over here in second other two numbers x plus 2, nothing is common. That means plus 1 is common and x plus 2 is a common bracket. So I am getting the answer as common bracket x plus 2 and 3x square plus 1. That are the uncommon number 3x square plus 1. Let us take one more example. Question number 5. That is 6xy plus 10x minus 12y minus 20. Here the numbers are in order. For the first two number 6xy plus 10x, the highest common factor, that is HCF of 6 and 10, is 2, and the common number is x, that is 2x. So it becomes 2 3s are 6. X has gone as common, so number left is y, plus 2 5s are 10. X has gone as common, so only 5 will be written. Over here in 12y minus 20, I am taking minus, okay, that is HCF of 12 and 20 will be 4. So it will be 4. So 4 3s are 12, y, minus, instead of this minus, as I told you before, minus is taken common, so it becomes plus, and 4 5s are 20. So the common brackets are 3y plus 5 into, okay, 2x minus 4. That is the uncommon numbers. Well, dear friends, I have shown you some 5 examples. So according to these 5 examples, or let us take one more example, that is number 6. b into x square minus a square plus x into a square minus b square. Okay, again I am repeating the number, b into x square minus a square plus x into a square plus b square. Dear friends, over here we are going to multiply b with both the numbers in the bracket, same way x with both the numbers in the bracket. So the answer I get is bx square minus ba square plus ax square, a square x plus xb square, okay, or bx square. You can write as bx square also, okay, b square x, okay. Well, so now here if I am going in the same order, I am not going to get the common bracket. So I am arranging the number as bx square minus b square x plus a square x minus b a square b minus a square b, which is this one number, okay. Well, which is this number ba square, which is written as a square b. From these two numbers bx square minus b square x, I am getting bx as common number. Bx as common number. The uncommon number is left as x, because b has gone as common. From x square 1x has gone as common, so 1x is left, minus from bx square again b has gone as common, so b, and x has gone as common. So the common bracket, first common bracket I am getting is x minus b. Similarly for second last two numbers or next two numbers, a square x minus a square b, the common number will be a square. So the uncommon number is left as x minus b. So my common bracket is x minus b, and the uncommon number is bx plus a square. That is my answer. I hope, dear students, you have understood these sums. Similarly, I am giving you some few sums as homework. Okay, you are going to do your homework. The same solution for the same sums will be shown to you tomorrow. So the very first sum, okay, which you are going to do as your homework, is 1. That is xy into a square minus 1 minus a into x square minus y square. This is as the similar sum which we have done above, that is sum number 6. Question number 2 will be Option number 2 will be 3ax plus 2b minus 3bx plus 2a. Third sum will be 5ax plus 4b plus 4a plus 5bx. The next sum, number 4, 2abx plus 3cd plus 3ab plus 2cdx. And the last sum will be 2abx square plus 15cd plus 6ab plus 5cdx square. So dear students, today we have studied identity number 1, that is ax plus xa plus xb, where x is common, so I am getting x into a plus b. The first 4 sums I have explained you twice, so I am going with sum number 5. The sum number 5 is 6xy plus 10x minus 12y minus 20. For these numbers, first 2 numbers, the HCF of 6 and 10 will be 2, so I have taken 2 as common. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10, so I have taken 5. From x and y, over here x and y and x goes as common, so the number left is y. Here we don't have any ABC. In minus 12, y minus 20, the HCF of 12 and 20 is 4. So I am taking minus 4 as common. So the uncommon number which is left is 4 3s are 12, 3 and y, and 4 5s are 20, and the number will be 5. Here dear friends, instead of minus between 12y and 20, I have written plus because minus is taken as common. So the sign in the bracket, okay, the sign between the numbers in the bracket becomes opposite. So instead of minus, I have written plus. Now the common bracket is 3y plus y. So I written as 3y plus y, and the uncommon numbers are 2x minus 4, that is 2x minus 4. Same way, sum number 6. In sum number 6, you will see that the number b into x square minus a plus x into a square minus b square. Here dear friends, we are going to multiply b with x as well as a square, x square as well as a square. So I am going to get b into x square, that is bx square, b into a, that is ba square, or you can write a square b plus x into a square. So it is a square x plus b square x. Okay, well, so the common number from bx square plus b square x, bx is common. From bx square I have taken bx as common, so b has gone as common, x square x has gone as common, so one x is left that I have written over here. B square, b has gone as common, x has gone as common, so the number left is b, that is minus b. Same way, in a square x minus a square b, a square is taken as common, so x is left and b is left, so it is x minus b. So the common bracket is x minus b, and the uncommon numbers are bx plus a square. I hope you have understood it, but if you have any doubt, okay, you can ask me tomorrow. I have given you some few sums as homework, that is 5 sums as homework. You are going to complete these 5 sums, and the solution of the same will be given to you tomorrow. Please remember, the very first identity given to you is, okay, that is xa plus xb is equal to x into a plus b. Thank you.